Hello JP Discovery Channel. Ever noticed how just about every planet you see in pictures is perfectly round? From the tiny rocky worlds to the gas giants and even the blazing sun, the universe seems obsessed with spheres. So what's the real reason planets are round? Today's video is about this question. The answer is simple: gravity. Imagine gravity as the universe's sculptor, pulling matter together from every direction. There's no up or down in space, just a constant tug toward the center. The shape where every point on the surface is equally close to the center? You guessed it, a sphere. That's why when you look at planets, moons, or stars, you're almost always seeing something round. But here's a twist. Not everything out there is a perfect sphere. Some asteroids and comets look more like potatoes, rubber ducks, or even misshapen rocks. Why? They're simply too small. Their gravity isn't strong enough to pull them into a round shape, so they keep their weird, lumpy forms. For a world to become round, it needs to be big enough. Think hundreds of kilometers across, so gravity can do its thing. Now, if you're picturing planets as flawless marbles, hold up. Most planets aren't perfectly round. They're a little squashed. Earth, for example, is what scientists call an oblate spheroid. Basically, a sphere that's a bit fatter around the middle. If I travelled from pole to pole, I'd cover about 39,941 kilometers. But if I circled the equator, I'd travel an extra 130 kilometers. That bulge is all thanks to Earth's rotation. Think of a fairground chair-a-plane ride, the one where chairs spin around and lift outward. As the ride spins, the chairs swing out because of centrifugal force. Well, Earth does the same thing. As it spins on its axis, everything gets a little push outwards at the equator, making Earth slightly squashed. The faster a planet spins, the bigger its bulge. Jupiter spins in just 10 hours, so its bulge is twice as big as Earth's. Saturn? It's the king of squashed planets. Its equator is over 10% wider than the distance from pole to pole. On the other hand, Venus spins so slowly it hardly bulges at all, almost a perfect sphere. What about stars? They can bulge too. The star Altair spins incredibly fast and is noticeably wider at the equator, but our own sun, despite spinning at 7,000 kilometers an hour, it's the most perfect sphere ever measured, 99.9993% round. Why the sun doesn't bulge like other spinning stars is still a mystery scientists are trying to solve. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, those beautiful round shapes are the handiwork of gravity and a few cosmic twists that keep things interesting. Subscribe and leave comments about the videos, suggest new topics, and stay tuned for more out-of-this-world content.